Hi there, Tom from Nature Connection here. Hope you're all well. Quick intro video for the session we're running on Friday, which is going to be Frontier Cabin Skills. What we're going to do, we're going to borrow a few tips and tricks from people who lived in remote places like on the prairies, on the frontiers of what was once known as the New World. For these people, it's worth remembering they existed entirely by their own efforts, which meant that there was never really a time when there was nothing for them to do. So evenings would probably be spent repairing equipment, making new stuff, fixing things that had broken, or repurposing, upcycling various bits and pieces that might otherwise have been discarded to make useful stuff. So we're going to look at some basic carving skills. We're going to look at making a leather-bound journal. We're going to look at some rope skills, and we're going to look at my personal favorite, the bottle lantern, and you're going to get a live demonstration right now. Here it is. Made from an ordinary wine bottle like this. I'm going to show you how to take the bottom off, how to rig it up so you've got this nice lantern here. Probably best to use it outside. Anyway, are you in? Are you interested? That would be great to see you. The details are below, and they're also obviously on the Meetup site itself. It's a Zoom meeting. Obviously, we can't do it live at the moment. Let me know what you think. Any questions, any comments? Otherwise, looking forward to seeing you then. Okay, take it easy. Bye.